Hey everybody, Matthew Letendre here. We're going to talk about Exitus Elite. And if you are in another 1UP system like Exitus Elite or EASY1UP and you're looking for something new, Exitus Elite has been running strong for 8 years. We have a terrific owner in Paul Stevenson. Last week we had our webinar where we were talking about the big updates that are coming to the system. So even 8 years later, this business is still getting new updates. Now, Paul Stevenson does have a vision for this business. He wants to see it flourish well into the future. And he's always putting us affiliates and us members first. I have done many opportunities over the years, and I've never seen an owner this dedicated to this business like Paul Stevenson is. So what is Exitus Elite? Exitus Elite is a all-in-one training platform, and we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions to the payment processor of your choice, whether it be PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, whatever you decide to use. This is just a preview of the different payment processors that I use. I have a credit debit card, PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle. I use these to get paid my commissions, and they're instant commissions. So the day that that one of your referrals buys one of the products, you get paid that day. So this is what Exitus Elite's all about. These are our Genesis products. We got the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, which I came into, and the G2000 as well. And when you buy a product, you're not only getting one course, but you're getting multiple courses. So that's G100, you got the G250, got the G500, you got the G1000, and then you got the G2000 right here as well. So I came in here at the G1000, and the reason why I did that was because I wanted to make as much profit as I could in my business. I wanted to make the $1,000 commissions. And when I joined the G1000, I got all these products at no extra cost, including the $100, the $250, and the $500 commissions I can make at all these product levels. So when you come into Exitus Elite, the higher products unlock all the lower products at no extra cost. So that's why I always tell people, if you can do it, come in at the G1000. This is the most popular product in Exitus Elite. There's like a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 level than any product level in this business. So I definitely recommend, if you do come in, and it's not just because I own the product, it's because it positions you to be able to make these commissions right here. And you also get pass-up commissions and override commissions, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So in Exitus Elite, we have a 1UP compensation plan. So what that means is when you make your first sale, let's go back right here. As you can see right here, I am G1000 and qualified. So I made my first sale, and when that happened, that first commission didn't go to me, it went up to my sponsor. So you pass up your first commission sale up to your sponsor. That's what they call your qualifying sale. And then after that, moving forward, you make all your other commissions. You make your $1,000 commissions, and then let's say you bring in more people at this product level. What's going to happen is they're going to pass up their $1,000 commission up to you as well when they make their first sale. And because I am qualified here at the G500, I can also make the pass-up commissions from the G500 as well. So in Exitus Elite, the two lower levels right here, the G100 and the G250, there are no pass-up commissions at these levels right here. It's only at the G500 and up that you pass up your first commission. Now, the reason why Exitus Elite does that is because they want you to be able to make as much profit as you can when you're way down here at the lower level, to be able to upgrade to the next product level so you can make more potential income. The reason why I love Exitus Elite is it's always putting us affiliates first, no matter what product level you come in at. So now another way I can make money too is, let's say I get a override commission. What that means is, let's say you come in here at the G100, but you make a G1000 sales. So one of your leads, they watch the presentation video and they say, oh, I want to make those $1,000 commissions. So what's going to happen is, you're still going to get paid your commission. You're still going to get paid your $100 commission. And what's going to happen is, the $900 that's left over is going to get passed up to me because I am qualified at the G1000 level. So you're always going to make your product level commission no matter what product that you sell. So that's a cool thing about Exitus Elite. In many other opportunities, you wouldn't even make any commission because you're not qualified at the G1000. So let's say this is another opportunity. If that happened and they came in at the G1000, you wouldn't get any commission at all. So, and then that lead would get passed up to me because I'm qualified at the sale. But in Exitus Elite, you still make your commission sale no matter what product you sell. So that's the cool thing about Exitus Elite. So I told you about the compensation plan, all the reasons why you should come in at the G1000. Now, if you can't come in at the G1000, then come in as high as you can possibly afford. That way you can unlock the lower levels to be able to make those extra commissions. So let's say you want to make a product purchase. So what happens is, the membership fee here, that membership fee goes to Exitus Elite. So this is a yearly membership fee, and we do not take any automatic payments on renewal. So let's say a year from now you don't want to do Exitus Elite anymore, or you can't pay the membership fee. Exitus Elite is not going to renew it automatically. Exitus Elite wants you to be able to choose whether you want to continue using Exitus Elite or not. And then later on, if you want to reactivate your account, you could always purchase the membership fee. So you pay the membership fee, and then you pay your sponsor their commission. So in Exitus Elite never pays us our commission. We pay our commissions to each other. So to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So you'd pay the membership fee, and then you would pay me my commission. And like I showed you earlier, it would be to any of the payment processes that I use. Like, these are all the ones that I use. So that's why I love Exitus Elite, and why I believe it's one of the best opportunities out there, because Paul Stevenson is always putting us members first, and he wants us all to succeed. So now, to become a member of my team, if you decide to join under me, you're going to receive this training right here. This is all training from a six-figure earner in Exitus Elite. This is actually my friend. And you're going to get all his training here. including some bonus training down here as well for Craigslist and Instagram training. And then you got more training down here as well. So you're going to get all this training right off the bat as well. So including these 27 videos here as well. He's still working on all these videos. We have 5 live links already right now. But you're going to get this training just for becoming a member of my team. And something you're also going to get is the Mega Swipe File page here as well. These are all places where you can actually advertise Exitus Elite right here. And we provide all the ad copy. So we provide the headlines and the ad bodies as well right here. So, and then we also have some Craigslist scripts here too if you want to do some Craigslist training. And then we got some Facebook scripts if you want to post on Facebook. And we got some Facebook pointers. And then down here we have our team ad art. So let's say in the beginning you don't have any credibility and you don't have any commissions to speak of. You can use these ads to put in your own ads if you want, but you can also show what's possible with Exitus Elite. So, but the only thing is, just say this is a friend of mine, or this is somebody I know in this business that's made this kind of money, and these are just examples of what's possible with Exitus Elite. Now, I want to share a post from a friend of mine who created those pages and everything. And this was just recently. This was April 30th. As you can see, it's May 3rd right now. So let me read this post to you real quick. So on the boat, taking it easy, and another $1,000 commission came in. That is $2,350 in the past few days alone. Is anyone even keeping count how many $1,000 and $2,000 days I'm having? $15K in a little over a month. It's your choice. Keep watching me post images just like this, or finally do something about it yourself. I've been with this business 6 years for a reason. An awesome, trusted 8-year-old business. Now, guys, that's the reason why I chose Exitus Elite. I was watching my friend here make these $2,000 commissions, and also hearing about Paul Stevenson and why he's been running this business successfully for 8 years, and he still has a vision well into the future on where he wants this business to go. And it's not going away anytime soon. I have no fear bringing anyone into this business. I trust it 100%. So if you like the video, this video, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well, so you get notified when I upload new content. And all my contact information, the link to join Exitus Elite, is all in the description below. So I really hope you guys see the value of Exitus Elite. Let me get out of this real quick. And just to show you a few more things here. Right. There's this, you can use these ad art right here in your own marketing training as well in the future. But just be honest, just tell people this is for illustrational purposes only, and that this is what's possible with this business. And as I get more marketing out there, and as I keep going on posting more videos and more ads for Exitus Elite, I'm gonna start putting my own income proof out there as well, because I have a positive mindset and I don't give up ever. And I know it's only a matter of time before I'm going to start seeing this kind of income myself. So whatever you decide to do, definitely check out Exitus Elite. If you're in EASY1UP or another 1UP system and you want another opportunity to increase your income streams, Exitus Elite is the best place to be, because I can see Exitus Elite still being here 5 years from now, because Paul Stevenson, like I've said multiple times in this video, has a vision for this business, and he's always putting us affiliates and us members first. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You might notice that this video is actually a little bit smoother than if you've watched some of my other videos, because I'm using my new laptop and pretty soon I will start being in my videos again right down here. But I'm actually doing this video at a friend's house, so I forgot my webcam. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your night. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and all my contact information and the link to join Exitus Elite is in the description below. And you guys can call me. I just want to let you guys know I am here to help, and I want you guys to call me. And even before you join Exitus Elite, give me a call. Tell me that you're interested, and we can talk. I want to talk to you guys. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.